Hello, welcome back again. I've got another bubble set for you. This time with chromes, and we're starting off with a black base, and I've already got a cured top coat on as well. So basically, I'm doing kind of like a geode pattern, but not all the way geode. It's literally just the pattern that I'm talking about. So I'm using the teal to do with the first stripe across the nail, random direction, doesn't matter which way, or even if it flows through the nails. Mine were all random. And then I'm using the second colour, the middle colour, the light blue, to blend out the outside of the teal on both sides. And then I will then switch to the dark blue to then colour the rest of the area to make sure all of the black on the nail is completely covered, and I'll do that on all, 5 nails in this, but yeah, otherwise it'd be 10. Make sure that you are blending so it becomes more of a gradient ombre rather than like block colours from chrome to chrome. Make sure you blend the centre lines together. Now we're just going to do the same kind of pattern all the way across the nails, just all in different directions. Brush off any excess and then go in with your top coat, and this is a layer of top coat that you will be putting your bubbles into. Make sure your bubbles are nice and light and fluffy, and they're not like the suds that come out of the sponge, you know. There's like a massive difference between. You'll see what I mean. Make sure they're nice and fluffy, and you literally just like glide them on top of the nail really gently. And then once you're happy with where they are, I would only do like 1 nail or 2 nail at a time, because obviously the bubbles will start to pop naturally. So into the lamp for a full cure, and then wipe off all the excess, and here presto. So as always, thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!